Hey folks, it's John Cena. Leslie Ike and I are in a new movie called Blockers. We play parents who discover by snooping on their kid's laptop and decoding their emoji conversation that they've made a sex pact on prom night. We join together and stop them.
So Tastemade has challenged us to a round of emoji match to see just how well we know our emojis.
Who wants to go first? Should we rock, paper, scissors?
Okay.
I'm just gonna go first.
Okay then.
Yeah.
A volunteer.
Woo! Clock starts. Wait.
Now.
Wait. Now.
Okay.
It's a girl going like this, a B. Oh, don't be basic. Am I supposed to be guessing it or are they guessing it?
No, you're guessing it. This is all you.
It's all me?
Yeah. You're
Oh.
trying to take the cake. We're
Got
just
it.
watching. We're the peanut gallery. I'm trying to talk you out of the zone.
Relationship
It's already been half a
goals.
minute.
Dressed finger. Outfit on point.
It's got to be 45 seconds already.
I think it's been 45 seconds.
No, it has not.
Right?
What's gonna be
Peach.
close?
These right
Time.
Is it
1,
my
2,
turn?
3.
Do you want to go last?
I'm going for a second.
You want to go second last?
I could have gotten more.
The time is going. You're going.
Go.
Okay, you're
Why
the
is that one
goat?
spilling tea? It's a frog.
Doesn't matter.
Shouldn't it be
matter.
frogging?
Wait, what is that? This is that?
You're one away from Ike. You're just one away
Wait,
from.
dead
That's true. I got
ass.
3, baby.
Dead ass goat. You're the goat?
Yep.
No!
Don't sleep on this.
She is ahead of Ike Barinholtz.
Throwing shade.
Round
Wait,
This
wait.
is embarrassing. I'm ashamed of my
Close?
fellow millennials.
Shade.
Oh, no!
Time.
Hey, is that right, spilling the tea? That is correct. Wait, explain that to me. What does a frog get spilled?
It's based on a meme. I'll explain to you what a meme is
Clap
after.
back.
I know what a meme is.
Okay, start the clock. I got this.
Okay, you gotta be, she has 5. You gotta be 5. He's off to a good start. Keep it 100. It's lit. Yeah, he's got 2.
Sorry.
Oh!
You're used to it.
It's fine. It's kind of my thing.
Oh, man, he's got one more to tie. Can he do it? He's got a tie right now. One more wins and he's won it! He's won it! He's gonna get them all! He did them all! That is
I think
insane.
most of those are wrong, but I just wanted to complete the exercise.
No,
Cash me
no.
outside.
Cash me outside. No new friends. Keeping it 100. It's
That's all
lit.
good.
So you got 8 for
Wait,
10.
did I win?
No, he still got 8. Thank you so much.
All right, folks, I've won the cake and the crown. Thanks for joining us for Emoji Match. Be sure to catch Blockers in theaters everywhere April 6th.
See the cake, boy. Come on. See it.
No, it's not. It's mine.
You're gonna eat the whole cake?
This is mine. This is my cake. I won it. It's a major award.